Hello, I'm Kavia from Apparel Production. If you are a clothing brand owner, you know that a good tag pack is one of the most important things you need to create a successful line. When working on product development in fashion, tag packing is essential. Tag packing involves creating design and fabric construction. It's best for your products. Today, I'd like to tell you something about tag pack. What should it include and why do we need? A clothing tag pack is a document that outlines a custom clothing order's specific details and specifications. It is normally created by your garment designer, and you need to send it to the clothing supplier to ensure that everyone is on the same page regarding what is being made and how it should look. It includes apparel drawing or mock-up. In this part, we can have an understanding of the overall design of your clothes and the wearing effect. We can also make a code for you based on it. Then the sample master can have a clear production direction when starting production, the fabric type and composition. In this part, you can write down what kind of fabric you want to make your clothes or a picture of fabric. That's fine too. This way we can accurately search and recommend fabrics to you. Garment measurements. You can put your size chart in with the measurements for each part of each side, like chest width, waist width, and sleeve length. This way we can make accurate paper patterns and purchase the right amount of fabric. Construction details. In this part, you can write down your production requirements, and it would be better if there are detailed reference pictures and descriptions of each part. The manufacturer can clearly know the details of your clothing, like stitching methods, buttons and buttonholes, zippers and zipper pulls, label sewing, printing or embroidery instructions. This part shows how the customized print or embroidery or anything will be laid out on the clothing. This is especially important if you are working with a custom print or embroidery or have specific requirements for how the process of pattern should be made. Colorway. For your overall design, whether it is the embroidery or printing color of the pattern or accessories in a specific color, if you have color requirements, it is necessary to provide Pantone color numbers. Most clothing manufacturers use Pantone formulae guide coding as a color reference. You can pick the color from Pantone document easily for free. If you want to see more accurate color, I would highly recommend you buy a color card from the Pantone website. This can avoid color difference in color image through the screen, resulting in the mismatching in the final effect. Label placement page. The label placement page explains where all of the labels for the garment should be placed, and also the label size and material of the label. This includes care labels, size labels, content labels, and any other type of label that will be used on the garment. Bill of materials, trims, labels, and packaging sections are included in this tab. Especially if you have customized trim, like zipper, button, or woven ribbon, you need to describe of them. Packaging requirements. After the clothes are made, how do you want to pack your clothes? This section is used to describe the packaging requirements, from the requirements of packaging bags, or customized packaging, or the way of folding clothes, etc. If there are no special instructions, this page can be left blank. These will help ensure that your garments are made to your exact specifications. To ensure a trouble-free and successful manufacturing process, here are some suggestions for maintaining quality control in your tag pack. Make sure all designs are clearly illustrated and easy to read. Include all relevant measurements and specifications. Choose fabrics and materials that are of the highest quality. Pay close attention to detail when creating your tag pack. By following these tips, you can be sure that your garment tag pack will meet the high standards of your custom clothing manufacturer. This will result in a smooth and efficient manufacturing process and a successful final product. Having a clothing tag pack is the best way to get the results you want. Although tag packs are so important, as veterans of the clothing manufacturer, we don't ask every client to provide a professional tag pack with full details. We are well aware that for startup companies, you are already busy after this video, let alone provide us with your tag pack. So just send us your pictures of the garment you are interested in, or even some sketches. Leave the rest of the work to us. With us, Apparel Production, you enjoy a one-stop fully customized service. We help you to build up your brand. Contact us now on Instagram, TikTok, or WhatsApp, email, website. See you next time.